We just tapped this AU supply on November 6th, 2023. Um, we don't know if it's gonna hold. I am very confident in this trade because we are under the 200 EMA. Higher time frame looks good. I'm gonna just look at I always try to look at the rejections before I go in because they do matter a lot. And then switch. It doesn't really look like it's gonna hold with all that momentum, but who knows? That's a big break of candle too. Let's see how many pips that is. For AU, it's not bad. It's only like 5 pips, actually, so that's not bad, but it is pretty large. The zone is still valid. It didn't break the zone, but we shall see what happens. The DXY, we were breaking structure to the upside, which gave me confidence to sell on AU. But right now we're rejecting from the 200 EMA on the DXY, so it's shooting down, which might break the zone on AU since the DXY is melting. So AU might push up and break that zone, but we will see what happens. But yeah, this is the supply zone right here. And then I'll show you guys the higher time frame. So as we were ranging a lot right here, but we did break structure to the downside, and we have this major gap right here that might want to get filled. On the 1 hour, it's also big gap to get to a demand, but we don't know if it wants to fill that in right now, but we are pretty high, but that gap is giving me confidence. And also just the gaps, and we were just pushing up so high that I think it's just ready for a reversal. But okay. Don't know. Like I said, AU's been kind of weird lately with these fake outs, but we'll just see. A new candle is going to be printed in 1 minute and 33 seconds. So if it does, it would be a smaller stop loss. I use about a break candle, but let me. Okay. The thing is, the DXY it's like right on the 200 EMA, so it's rejecting off the 200 EMA to the downside, which isn't good if I'm trying to sell on AU. So I'm hoping it would just break above the 200 EMA so I can be more confident in this trade, but I'm still going to take this trade because I still have a strong bias that AU keeps wanting to come. Sorry, I have a strong bias that AU still wants to keep dropping, and overall it looks good to me on the 5 minute. We did break structure, and we do have a gap, so it is only like a small pip loss. It's about to break. But today is Monday and the first day of the week. I'm not rushing anything. If it doesn't give me my entry, I'm not entering, of course. Yeah. See, the DXY is really heavily rejecting from the 200 EMA to the downside. Here, I'm going to show you guys. As you can see, it just keeps rejecting right here, and just I wanted to just push up and break above this 200 EMA so I can just keep going up. As you can see, we are breaking structure on the DXY as well, and we broke, oh, we haven't broke that structure, but if we broke that structure, that would have been nice. This is what I'm looking at. And as you can see, the 200 EMA looks good, but we did close in the zone, so it's kind of iffy. I don't know if AU is going to keep consolidating though, because the DXY is kind of in consolidation right now. So I'm kind of like, if I take this, I might be stuck in consolidation, or ooh, AU got a break candle. But okay, I do like that new candle printed. It's showing that the sellers are in. I got in a little bit late, but that's okay. Hopefully this is only a 4 or 5, well, 4 pip stop loss, but I'm gonna put it as a 5. Bro, if AU fakes me out, I'm done with AU. Because I'm telling you guys, I feel like I get faked out on AU so much. My last trade I took, faked out. This trade, if I get faked out, I'm done. Done with AU. I'm sticking to just my pound pairs, GU, GJ, and then I'm gonna try to learn how to trade NAS, and that'll be about it because I can't. But I really do have faith in AU. I really hope AU drops, but if not, it's okay. Rejections look good. Also, I like to look at my trading view better than my MT5 because I don't really like seeing the. I try to just not look at the money because it's fine, but sometimes it can be distracting just like looking at your money and stuff. So I try to just focus. So if I'm looking over here, it's because I'm looking at my laptop and I'm just kind of looking at price through here instead of the candles on here, since it just works better for me, I guess. We just touched a 1 hour supply on AU, so that is nice as well. I didn't really realize we were touching our 1 hour supply, but we did right here. So that looks good. Hopefully AU does not consolidate, because if she does, I'm gonna try to get out at profit because I do not want to hold through consolidation, even if it ends up winning, because it looks good. AU overall looks good. 5 minute looks good. 1 hour looks good. The open is in 6 minutes, but I don't think it'll do much damage. Like, I don't think it'll like do much on AU. Usually it's just like on NAS that does a lot, but we do have news on AU, I think, actually at 10:30. Let me look. Oh no, we don't. I thought we did. We got a doji printed. Hopefully that makes the markets drop. I don't like being in a trade too long either. I think being in a trade as a scalper for at least like an hour, like above 45 minutes, is a long time. I like to be like under 30 minutes or at least 20 minutes, but yeah, above 45 minutes for me, it seems like a while for me because I like to just be in and out. So far, I've been in this trade for at least like 20 minutes or almost 20 minutes. I had a feeling AU was going to consolidate once I entered. After I seen a DXY, I was like, I think I'm going to get out once I hit like $10. But we will see. We'll see how price moves and how the rejections look. I feel like AU is going to keep dropping. I'm probably just going to keep moving my skip, get out of one position. What is AU doing? What is AU doing? Milo. Yes, Milo, I feel like that too. That's exactly how I feel like right now. Okay, shh. Don't do that. You're gonna give me anxiety. I'm kidding. We don't get anxiety over here. We don't get anxiety over here. AU is playing. Like, okay, the way price is looking, I might just close at $10 and just be content with my $10 because it's just price is not looking good right now. It's giving Q4 energy right now. This is Q4 energy and I'm not liking it. I might close because it's just we are moving momentum, but AU has been garbage. Like AU has been garbage. So I think if she loses today, She had a lot of confluences. She had a break and retest on the 5 minute. She had a 1 hour supply. We broke structure. We had a gap. I know this is all a probability game, but AU probably has just gone bad, and that's okay. That is okay. I just think if I lose this trade, I might just kind of be done with AU or just keep her on the side because she did win a night like a supply before this one. She had won this supply right here that threw, but and it won, but I guess I don't know. I might just get out once. Yeah, once it hits $10. The wicks are just kind of being confusing right now as well because it looks like we're pushing up, but we're pushing down. We're just in consolidation. I've been in the trade for a little minute now. I think it's been 5, 10, 15, for 30 minutes. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna get out at $10. I'm gonna close one position at like $5 and let the other run. Ooh, A look good. Hey you, what is you doing? Okay. Yeah, I think $10 is good. I'm okay. AU's dropping. AU is dropping. This is like the money. But she keeps playing up and down, so I'm like, I'm up like $8 and I'm like down. Like,
wait, what direction do you want it to go down?
I'm selling, yeah. So I wanted to just like push down. I wanted to at least like. I think I'm gonna get out $10. Okay, I'm getting out one position, and then I'm letting my runner just at break even because AU playing too much, and if she stops me out of there, then I'm fine with that. But I want her to push. Wait. Okay. I think. I'm just gonna put my runner at profit. I think I'm gonna get out at $5. Ooh, it's gonna probably stop me out right here. Here, let's do that. Because I think AU still wants to drop. So once it hits $5, I think I'm gonna get out. Maybe I should have got it out in $10, like where I was.
You did though, right?
In one position, I got out at $5.
Wait, but I thought you clicked it on 10.
Okay, I'm gonna put my stop loss back up there. Wait, where did I put it? Did I get out? What the fuck?
Did you?
I guess I did. That was so weird. Wait. Oh, I guess I did. I don't even realize how I did. I don't know how I did that. I thought I moved. my stop loss. Damn.
So how much did you?
I mean, I made $5.50 plus I lost $3.08. But that's so weird that I thought I moved my. Did you? I don't even know. I guess I'll watch this video, but that's it. That's kind of annoying. I'm kind of annoyed that I did that because I really thought I moved my stop loss to my original stop loss, but I guess I didn't, and I guess I'll see in this video. But it's fine. AU was doing too much, and I'm already AU just playing around. So maybe it was good that I got out when I did, even though I should have got out at $10. But anyways, bye.